Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close put option in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically, now we are going to see what are options here in Robinhood Learning Center. And basically, if you have sold some put option, you will be needing to close your put options. And basically, it will be, for example, in the same day of the expiring date. So to close the put options, all you will need to do is just to buy the put option that you have sold. And by that, you will be able to close them. And simply you can do that from your Robinhood mobile app or either your web app. And simply you will need just to log in, of course, and then all you need to do is just to go to your option. So basically, if you have both option of some stock, for example, let's take this one. And basically, if you have already an eligible account, you will be able to take this uh, option. So here you will find uh, down here as an option is to view your options. And basically, if you already had some option, you will find as a choice buy to close or sell to open. And basically, all you will need to do is just to click on buy to close so you can buy the put options that will be equivalent of your sold options. For example, if you sold three options, you will buy three options to close. And basically, you will add them, and then you will need just to view your trade or your order, and then you will just confirm, and then you will get your options, and by that you will be able to close your put options. So it depends on uh, how many options that you have sold, etc. You will be needing just to sell to close. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.